Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog ID tags that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the If It Barks Pet ID tag. Of all the ID tags online, our top choice is the If It Barks ID card. What's great about this ID tag is that it allows you to add a touch of humor to your pet's collar, since these personalized tags are available in a wide range of designs. Manufactured in the United States, these tags are made from durable stainless steel material with a smooth texture and well-polished look. The details are inscribed using fiber laser technology, which makes it easy to read. When buying this dog ID tag, you'll have a wide range of illustrations to choose from. Most of these illustrations have a sense of humor to them, which makes them look even more interesting in your pet's neck. The illustrations are attached on one side of the tag and feature funny illustrations of dogs doing different funny activities like holding a phone, sleeping in a bed, etc. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Funny Dog and Cat Tags Personalized Collar ID tags. For budget-conscious pet owners, the Funny Dog and Cat personalized tags are what we would recommend. These tags are very durable and will not get broken easily despite the daily wear and tear. Thus, the money you'll spend on buying these tags for your pet will be worth it. The tags can accommodate up to 4 lines of laser-engraved text, so you can include plenty of important details in it. What's more, these tags come with a glow-in-the-dark silencer, which eliminates the annoying noise created by the tag and keeps the engraving fully protected. If you'll order the tag, you get to choose from different designs and color. The text that you want to include in the tag will be engraved using high-powered lasers that will vaporize the material. This will leave you with an engraving that's very clear and easy to read. So in the event that your dog accidentally gets lost as you take it for a walk outdoors, anyone who will find your dog will easily identify your contact details from the text that's written on the ID tag. At number 3, we have the GoTags Stainless Steel Pet ID tags. Created by a company based in Washington, USA, GoTags Pet ID tags are suitable for all dog breeds. These tags are made from stainless steel that's both long-lasting and durable. Investing in these durable ID tags for your pet is truly worth it. It's guaranteed to last long, so you won't have to keep on buying a new one for replacement. With the GoTags ID tags, you get to choose from 9 different shapes that include a flower, ranger badge, bow tie, etc. The smooth surface is as clear as a mirror and there's enough room to engrave plenty of information. In fact, you can write up to 8 lines of text on it, so you can include all of your dog's important details. At number 2, we have the Providence Engraving Pet ID tags. https://www.amazon.com/dp/bo84hmmq8m. Made by a company that's been in the industry for decades, the Providence Pet ID tags truly deserves to be in this list of the best dog ID tags. The product is made from a durable anodized aluminum material that can resist breakage and rusting. By attaching this ID tag to your dog's collar, you can be certain that your pooch will be returned back to you in case it gets lost accidentally. Pet owners will also love the fact that they get to choose from 8 different colors for the Providence Pet ID tags. The ID tags are available in different sizes and are suitable for different breeds. If you've got a small dog, then the small tags would be ideal. You can have some of your important details engraved on the tags, such as your complete name, contact number, and address. Another great thing about the Providence Pet ID tags is that they are available in different quirky designs, such as paw or bone or shape. There are also basic designs if you want a classic look for your pet. When you order the tag, you'll get a free clip ring, allowing you to easily attach it to your dog's collar. And finally, at number 1, we have the GoTags Paw Print Round Stainless Steel Pet ID tags. Another premium quality pet ID tag from GoTags is the Paw Print Round Stainless Steel Pet ID tags, which comes in the shape of a round tag and has a cute printed paw on one side. This tag is ideal for homeowners who need a stylish tag to attach on their pet's neck. You also get to choose from 2 different sizes, regular and small. When getting the regular tags, you can have a silencer to go with it, which you can attach on the edges of the tag to keep it from producing noise as your pet walks. The silencer also glows in the dark, which provides added lighting as you take your dog for a walk at night. Your details will be engraved in the smooth and polished surface with the use of laser technology. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.